How to connect Blum to Ton Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Blum to Ton Wallet. To connect your Blum account to Ton Wallet, first of all you need to make sure you have already downloaded Telegram application and have created an account on it. Once you have done that, open your Telegram application on your mobile device, and in the space here at the top right, you'll be able to see the search icon. Tap on the search icon and in the search bar type in Blum. Now search for it. You will get various search results below. Here you need to find the official Blum crypto bot, and once you find it, tap on it to open the chat page. Here in this page you will see the start button at the very bottom. If you are using it for the first time, you will be able to see the start button at the very bottom. You will need to simply click on that start button. By doing so, the Blum will send you this. Here you need to tap on this launch Blum option. And by doing so, you will be taken to the Blum official website. Here you will need to enter your nickname and create an account on Blum. Once you have done that, at the bottom right you will be able to see the wallet option. Tap on this wallet icon, and once doing that, here you will be able to see connect wallet button. Go ahead and tap on connect wallet. And here at the bottom you will see options for different wallets. Here you will need to select Ton Wallet application such as Ton Keeper. Here I am selecting Ton Keeper wallet. Tap on Ton Keeper, and once doing that, you will be redirected to your Ton Keeper wallet. Here you will need to tap on this connect wallet in order to confirm it. Once you tap on connect wallet, you will be asked to enter your passcode. Enter your passcode. And after successful verification, you will see you have successfully connected your Blum account to your Ton wallet. Now you can come back and again tap on this launch Blum on the start page of Blum bot. And then here you'll be able to see you have successfully connected your Blum account to your Ton wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.